I'm going to talk to you about body care. To me, body care is an extension of the skincare I do on my face, and I have some really awesome solutions that I'm going to show you. Okay, so first up is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub from First Aid Beauty. I love this stuff for my KP bumps. If you don't know what KP bumps are, they're those little red bumps you'll get on like the back of your arm or your inner thigh, and essentially it's just congested skin that turns into a little irritated red bump. What really helps is a scrub like this. It has glycolic acid and lactic acid, so that's going to help kind of break down the top layer of your skin and slough it off so it can decongest itself. What's really cool too is these little pumice microcrystals that are in it that are going to help exfoliate. And it also has colloidal oatmeal, which is going to help soothe and take down that redness. You can use this in the shower, and then when you come out, your skin is nice and smooth, and you'll move on to moisturizer. Okay, so next up is something that I so wish I would have had when I was growing up. This is the Faded Brightening and Clearing Mist from Topicals. It is magic. It's a body spray, so it's super easy to use. You can literally spray it upside down or from the side, and it's just this light mist. So I love the idea of using this on my back. Growing up, I had acne, and those acne marks would turn into scars, and it was really hard to treat and also to reach. This has glycolic acid, it has licorice root, all these really great things that are going to help brighten and clear that up. So one thing I really love to focus on with body care is color correction. It's not often something people think about when it comes to the body as much as you do when it comes to the face. But I was a competitive dancer growing up. Your girl knows a thing or two about SelfTanners, and this one has become one of my favorites. It's from Isle of Paradise. It's the Pro Glow Self Tan Mister. And what's awesome about this is that this is actually refillable, so you can rebuy the liquid and not waste the packaging. It's also a continuous mist, so it goes on really easily, and then you'll just use the mitt to blend it out. So with any self-tanner, you're gonna wanna make sure that you exfoliate and moisturize first. I like to put it on at night, and I wake up with an overnight glow. No skincare routine is complete without a moisturizer. I am in love with this one from K-Skin. It's the Deepwater Hydrating and Soothing Body Cream, and the founder, Winnie Harlow, is spectacular. So she really wanted to incorporate some of the ingredients that she used growing up in her time in Jamaica, like sea moss and aloe, and this incorporates both. So this one I find is just so moisturizing. I also feel like it gives me a really nice glow. So if I'm headed out for an event or just for the day, I'll wipe this over my shoulders, and I just feel like I have a nice little sheen to them. And you can tell even on my hand here, that glow that it gives. So your skincare does not need to stop here. Bring it all the way down, give all of your body some love. Definitely shop the shelf below if you saw anything that you liked, and I'll see you next time. Bye.